Make any woman miss you, even if she acts like she doesn't care. That's not manipulation. That's understanding how emotions work and how to leave a lasting imprint in her mind and her heart. See, when a woman starts pulling away, most men panic. They call more, text more, try to prove their worth. But what you don't realize is, the more you chase, the more she runs. Not because she doesn't like you, but because chasing tells her you don't value yourself. Let me ask you something. When was the last time someone made you miss them? Was it the person who begged for your attention, or the one who seemed to have a powerful presence even in silence? Exactly. Women miss men who have emotional discipline. Not the guy who freaks out when she pulls back, but the man who remains centered. Stoic, strong, not cold, just grounded. That kind of man lingers in a woman's mind even when she pretends he doesn't. And here's why. There's a part of her brain, emotional, subconscious, that remembers how you made her feel. Not what you said, not how often you called, but how you made her feel in your presence. If your presence was powerful, peaceful, and self-assured, she will crave it again, even if she acts uninterested now. You become unforgettable when you master this simple truth. Distance breeds desire, but only when you've left an emotional fingerprint before you walked away. That means, don't argue for your place in her life. Don't beg to be seen. Instead, show that your time is sacred. Your energy is rare. Your love isn't given cheaply, it's earned. Women are emotional creatures. When you shift from overgiving to owning your value, she feels that. She senses the withdrawal of your light and that space you leave. It creates mystery, curiosity, reflection. Suddenly, your silence speaks louder than your words. And no, it's not about playing games. It's about embodying the man who knows that what you offer is not ordinary. Here's a mindset you need to burn into your soul. If I have to chase her, she was never mine to begin with. But if I become the man she can't forget, I'll never have to chase again. Now, let's talk about what actually makes her miss you. 1. Emotional presence. When you're with her, be fully there. No distractions. She should feel like the rest of the world disappears when she's around you. That memory is what haunts her later. 2. Silence with power. Don't always reply immediately. Don't rush to fix things. Let her feel the weight of your absence. A man who can sit in silence is a man who controls the tempo. 3. Purpose over validation. When your life is bigger than the relationship, she starts wondering, what's taking up his time? What is he building? That curiosity builds emotional tension, and tension creates desire. 4. Emotional mystery. Don't reveal everything at once. Give her pieces of your world slowly. Let her earn access to your deepest thoughts. When she doesn't have it all, she keeps coming back for more. You want to know what every high-value man understands? Missing someone is not triggered by presence. It's triggered by contrast. When you were warm and powerful, then you're gone. That's the contrast that messes with her mind. She might smile, pretend like it's nothing. But at night, she'll be thinking about your energy, your voice, your calm, and wonder why she can't stop checking your socials. So don't chase. Transform. Become the man whose absence creates more noise than his words ever could. Because when a woman realizes she had access to a man who didn't need her, but chose her, and she lost that, it's not just missing, it's regret. Let her feel that. If this message speaks to you, subscribe. I've got more coming that'll change how you approach love, power, and presence. Drop a comment below. She'll miss me. Because if you're watching this, you're not here by accident. You're evolving into something unforgettable.